Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is me how to show you how I did this hair. It's three bundle hair with closure. So if you like to see how I did the hair, stay tuned and keep on watching. The hair is from Queen's Beauty and it's really soft and silky, very beautiful hair, no shading, and it's really lovely. Yeah, no tangling. You can see I'm showing you inside the cap. I did put it on the wig cap and it's all sewing down from beginning till end. I wanted to show you how I do the sewing, but I couldn't record all the back for you. All I did there, I used a tipping to hold each angle down to make it easier for me to sew. Well, I think the C shaping is quite easier to sew this closure down on the wake up. I find it quite easier compared to the straight needle I used before. Yeah, I didn't know the setting has changed, but the most important part, I managed to film how I sew the closure down to the cap. Oh ladies, I wanted to show you how I start all the back, but unfortunately my phone was telling me memory is full and that really get me mad. But don't worry, I got another video coming up which I'm gonna show you the details how I sew from the beginning till end. All I'm doing right here, I'm only using a flat iron to flatten it down, just doing some styling. And if you like to see how I cut it in a short bob, I got another video when I'm gonna put the link down below for you to see how I cut it on the short bob. If you find this video helpful, please thumbs up, like and comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more video, and don't forget to press the notification button. Bye.